Hey, if you're thinking about getting an FHA loan or you're already in an FHA loan, then this video is for you. I want to hopefully answer questions you have about this unique loan product. I think it's really important for you to understand some of the details of it before you sign on the dotted line. Okay, so FHA stands for Federal Housing Administration. This is a government agency that has lots of responsibilities. One of those being that they oversee the FHA loan program. Here's what makes an FHA loan attractive to a lot of borrowers. It tends to be more lenient when it comes to things like your credit and your debt to income ratio. So if your credit score is a little bit on the lower side and your debt to income ratio tends to be higher than what other loan programs will allow, then an FHA loan program may be perfect for you. In fact, it may be the only loan program that's going to work for you at this time. Another thing about credit that makes an FHA loan more attractive is that it's more lenient when it comes to significant derogatory credit events. These are things like bankruptcies, foreclosures, short sales. All right. The waiting period after these events can be lower for an when you're trying to get an FHA loan compared to other types of loans. So again, if this is you, this may be the perfect loan for you at this time. Now, another feature about FHA loans that's very unique is the mortgage insurance requirements on it. There's several things we got to talk about here. First of all, there's two types of mortgage insurance on an FHA loan. The first one we call an upfront mortgage insurance premium. This is a premium that's required on the loan. It's 1.75% of the loan amount. It's the same for everybody. So if you're getting a $100,000 loan, that means you're going to pay a premium of $1,750. That amount is tagged on to your loan. Okay, so essentially you're financing that amount. It doesn't have to come out of your pocket at the time of closing, but it is going to get added onto your loan, so you are paying for it over the long run. The other type of mortgage insurance required on an FHA loan is your monthly mortgage insurance. This is standard on a lot of loans. On an FHA loan, it's required as well. Okay, on an FHA loan, the rate for mortgage insurance is the same for everybody. It doesn't matter if your credit scores are high or low, everybody pays the same monthly mortgage insurance rate. Why is it required on an FHA loan? Okay, well, the down payment required on an FHA loan is only 3.5%. So just like other loan programs, if you don't have enough skin in the game, the lender is going to require mortgage insurance because there's a higher likelihood that you will default on the loan, and they want to insure those potential losses. And they're going to have it put it on you as a borrower to pay for that insurance premium. Now, here's the last thing about mortgage insurance that I think is the most important thing to understand on an FHA loan. The monthly mortgage insurance is required for the life of the loan. That's right. So on an FHA loan, not until that loan is paid off in its entirety does the mortgage insurance ever go away. It doesn't matter how much you pay down the loan in the meantime, it will remain on the loan for the life of the loan. Now, in my experience as a loan officer, the number one reason that individuals refinance is to get out of their FHA loan and into a conventional loan so they get rid of their mortgage insurance altogether. So if you're getting into an FHA loan, remember that. You're going to pay mortgage insurance for the life of the loan. The good news is, down the road, you'll probably come to a place where you'll be able to refinance and get rid of the mortgage insurance. All right, so FHA loans, it's a great product. Sometimes it's the only way that some borrowers will be able to get a loan at this time. For others, there may be better options out there for them. So it's something you definitely want to explore, have that conversation with your loan officer. My name is Greg Kisiel. I'm a senior loan officer. I hope this information helps you. This was your Mortgage Minute. Thanks for listening.